I would like to invite you to share with us in a very, very special experience, which is has encompassed many communities. It isn't a particularly Jewish phenomenon, the crypto-faith communities. Crypto-faith means that although one professes one religion at home or in secret or in underground, one has to pretend or hold up a very different faith and a very different religion. I would like to show you how the questions and the dilemmas that these communities had to undergo are still relevant to our days as well. Questions of who am I? Who am I really? Am I really the secret me? Am I really the open me? I would like us to understand our questions today a little better by looking at other people in other circumstances, how they managed to, or how they tried to get through these questions under much harder conditions.